Now, to unpin any icon from your start menu, what you do is this. I want to unpin I want to remove an icon from the start menu. And how do you do that? You right click on any of the icons you want. You can decide to select more than one, then you unpin it. What you're just seeing here is that we call them pinned because they just tag them to that place. So you can remove any ones that you don't want to be there, since you have quick access to them. So what I want to do, I want to unpin this image editor here. So what I do, I just say unpin. Automatically it is removed from that place. So I have it a little bit, no more too much icons here. Are you getting it now? So I may decide to select more than one icon, like this. I just bring it down here. You see. Also, there are other things you can do. Now we'll be able to do this. You can install any software from this place. Just right click on what you want and just say uninstall. Immediately you click on uninstall, what you are going to have is it will directly take you into the system control panel to go and remove it from that place. And also you can decide to open a particular application from here on a new window, so it is possible too. Every of these are very, very important, but you have to know something, that pinning to taskbar is another thing, and running as an administrator is totally different. An administrator, sometimes some software has limitation. You have to actually run it as an administrator. Why? Because so that you won't have any limitation to that particular software application. But there are other software engineering aspect of how to actually do this. Now let me go into this. You can say open location. How do you open the file location? You just click on this. Of course, everything are all files. It goes into the place this software is actually installed and goes there directly, and go and check it. Now from here we have the shortcut here, and from here we can just click on properties and have a direction of where actually this thing is. So this is where it is. So we can go and find it from that place because it's just representative. We'll go into more about what we mean by icons and how to work with it. Back to the start menu. So in this particular tutorial, we learned how to navigate, we learned how to pin, we learned how to pin it as in unpin from this place. Now I want to show you another thing before I go, how to actually pin to taskbar. Where is the taskbar? The taskbar is this. I will be teaching you more about the windows because the start menu is the first thing you see. That's why I taught you about that. Now let's go back to pin to start menu. What do? I can right click on the particular icon. You can see these are all apps. Apps cannot be pinned in the desktop or anywhere, so that is why you can't pin that. But let's come to a real application software that has been installed into the PC. So what I just have to do, I right click on it and then I click on pin to taskbar. Now let's go and see where it is. Remember the software I did just now. So now I can come here and then this is it here. So from here I can say unpin from it. I right click on it and say unpin from it. So automatically it's no more there. You see now. And that is how you work with the particular start menu. Now there are other things you will have to know later. You will discover that by the time I point to the left, by the time I point to the bottom right, you see that you are having a particular menu coming up. You can see it now. I will teach you more about that now. So watch the next tutorial.